Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by confirming the boot loop behavior and recent changes to your system. Note if the loop began after an update, driver install, or new hardware. Reboot and watch for error messages, codes, or a blank screen. Enter BIOS to confirm the system disk is detected and set as the first boot device. Prepare a Windows 7 DVD or USB recovery drive before continuing to repair steps. Boot from your Windows 7 DVD or recovery USB and select Repair your computer. Choose Startup Repair to automatically scan and fix boot configuration issues and missing files. If Startup Repair fails, reboot and press F8 to enter safe mode. In safe mode, uninstall any driver or update installed before the loop began. If necessary, open System Restore and select a point within the last 7 days to revert system files safely. If basic repairs fail, open Command Prompt from Recovery Options to run advanced commands. Execute bootrec/fixember, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild to repair boot records and rebuild BCD. Run sfc/scano offline targeting the Windows folder to restore corrupted system files. Run chkdskc/f to fix disk errors and bad sectors on your system drive. If issues persist, backup personal files and perform a repair install or a clean Windows 7 installation as a final step.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.